Hi everyone, here we are today. What I'm going to show is how to link an ACR3 remote control to a best Cirrus hood. The first thing you do is make sure that the light and the blower is off up on that Cirrus hood. Secondly, what you're going to do is you're going to get that remote, you're going to turn it around. On the middle of that remote, it's very hard to see, but it'll say REV 1.3 or 1.5. If you have an REV 1.3, this is how you're going to link the remote. I like to hold the remote so the best logo is basically facing the bottom. I call this the 12 o'clock button, and this is the 6 o'clock button. So with an REV 1.3, what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the 6 o'clock button until that LED lights up, and it's approximately 3 seconds. What you're going to do then is release it, and you're going to be up by the unit, and you're going to press the F button, and the letter F will actually be on the button up on the unit. So I'm going to go through it again for you. On a 1.3 revision, you're going to press and hold that 6 o'clock button till the light lights up. You're going to release it, and you're going to press and release the F button up on the unit. If you have a 1.5 revision remote, it links a little differently. What you're going to do there is you're going to press and hold the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock button at the exact same time. You're going to hold it for 3 seconds. This indicator light should light up or flash. You're going to release them. You're going to press and release the 6 o'clock button. And you're going to then press and release the F button up on the unit. And again, you want to be up by the unit to get this taken care of as soon as possible. You have about 3 to 4 seconds. So I'm going to do it one more time. Revision 1.5. Press and hold the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock button till the indicator light turns on. You're going to release them. You're going to press and release the 6 o'clock button. And on the hood, you're going to press and release the F button. Wait 10 to 15 seconds. Try your remote. If your remote does not work, what you can try is turning the power off at the circuit breaker. Let that power off for about 20 to 30 seconds and then reapply power, and then try relinking the remote control. If you have a 1.3 or 1.5, just follow the instructions that I just gave you. I hope this video helps. If you have any other problems, please call our technical support.